How to track your Lyft ride in real time. If you have been using the Lyft application and wondering on how to track your ride on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it, so let's get started. First of all, open the Lyft application, just like this. After opening it, simply request a ride. And after getting the ride, simply open your app after requesting and getting into the car and check the map screen. Once your ride is confirmed, you will see your driver's car icon moving on the map, the ETA, the arriving time at the bottom, the driver's photo, name, car model and license plate. You will also see them. Tap on to the driver info panel. This expands details and lets you call or message your driver, edit your pickup location and see driver's progress live. After you're in the car, keep the Lyft app open. The screen will now show your real-time route to your destination. Watch your progress on the map. See your current location, track turns and traffic delays. View updated ETA to your destination. And that's it. This is how you can track your Lyft ride in real time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.